Welcome back to the channel. Appreciate everyone tuning in. Beautiful day. We're going to work on the Shelby again. Got a nice small mod that I'm going to do, and I got this weighted shift knob from Billetworkz. So I was looking and seeing which way to go, which colors to do. There's just all kinds of different things that you can do, designs, colors, companies that do different shift knobs. I decided to go with Billetworkz. I got the shift knob in the other day. It's in a nice little box like this, packaged in foam, and it's got some hardware that goes along with it. And here's the shift knob here. I'm happy with the turnout. Got the Cobras engraved on both sides, and GT350 on top. Got some nice weight to it, so I'm happy with how it turned out. So we'll go ahead and get this thing installed and see how she looks. You know, and staying with the theme of the black, you know, silver and gray. Let's get this thing installed. Now I know for some people, they had a hard time getting this factory shift knob off. It is put on with Loctite. I didn't have a problem with mine. Mine moved just a little bit, but I was able to just unscrew mine by hand. It was tighter than this. I tried to see if it would come off easier, and it did. I didn't have to put any tools on it. It just unscrewed. Yeah, it had a little bit of Loctite still on there, so it was a little tight. But like I said, I didn't have to put anything on there to assist getting it off. The kit comes with this piece where it's flat on the bottom, tapered side goes up. You got a lock nut that you're going to put on first. So you put the lock nut on first. And that's just going to tighten up against the flat end of this bushing. But you'll have to, it'll be a trial and error of getting this thing set right. So I'm not going to use any Loctite on this. I'm just going to use the force of this bottom nut, and then just screw down this new shift knob enough that it'll be nice and tight. But this is going to be trial and error. You go ahead and lock it down. Wrench. So that part's tight. And then you can screw the shift knob down, see where it sits. You just got to make sure it's at a right spot to where the reverse lockout works. So right now the snakes are on the front and back, and I'll get it to a point that I have it to a section to where it'll go down. And all I got to do is tighten a little bit to keep it from moving, so it's, you know, side to side where the snake should be and how the numbers read on the top. So right now, let me see how the reverse lockout works right there. So what I'll do is I'll back this off a little bit. Just trial and error. Just takes time getting to where you need it. Go ahead and tighten this back up. Try it again. So right there, that might be about good. It's sitting at about 2 o'clock, and if I give it Probably gonna have to move it a little bit more because it's not gonna move that much. So yeah, I'm sitting at about 2 o'clock now. Just a hair off. Let's see if that works. I think that might be it. It's just a little above 3 o'clock. We'll go ahead and give it a nice twist. And now we're sitting perfect. It's right where it should be. Let's see if the lockout works. Lockout works. Perfect. Into the reverse. Gears are working. So, make sure the lockout works. Get it in reverse. So that's it. Not too hard. Nice little simple mod. Go ahead and save as factory one, put it in that box for safekeeping. And I'm happy with the way it looks. Nice, easy install, and no Loctite. I'm not gonna need, it's tight. I'm not gonna need any Loctite on it, so it works. So that's gonna be it with the Billetworkz shift knob, weighted shift knob for the Shelby GT350. I'll put the link down below, you know, where I got it. Happy with the final product. So call it a day. I want to thank everyone for tuning in. If you're not subscribed, subscribe. Don't forget to hit the like button. And until next time, take care.